Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. So, last class we have been discussing about exercise 19D. Okay, so let's discuss homework answers first. Third question, ninth one. 64 x square y square by z square divided by 8xy by 7. Okay, so you will get the answer 8xy by z. Okay. Now fourth question, third one, minus 24 x raised to 6 y square by 6 x raised to 6 y. Okay. So you will get the answer minus 4y. Okay. Now let's start today's class. Fifth question, divide in that third one. 15x cube y square plus 25x square y cube minus 36x raised to 4 y raised to 4 by 5x square y square. Okay, so here we have to divide this polynomial 15x cube y square plus 25x square y cube minus 36x raised to 4 y raised to 4 by another polynomial 5x square y square. Okay, so what we do? Division of polynomial by a monomial we have to do here. So while doing division, divide each term of the polynomial by this monomial. Okay, this polynomial contains 3 terms here. We know that terms are separated by plus or minus sign. So here first term it is 15x cube y square, second term it is 25x square y cube, third term it is 36x raised to 4 y raised to 4. Okay, all these 3 terms are divided by this monomial 5x square y square. Okay, that is the division of a polynomial by a monomial. So 15x cube y square divided by 5x square y square. Then here plus sign, so put here plus sign. Then 25x square y cube divided by 5x square y square. Second term is divided by the monomial. Next, here it is minus sign, so put here minus sign. Then third term, 36x raised to 4 y raised to 4 divided by 5x square y square. Okay, next you can do the division. 15 by 5 it is 3. Now x cube you can divide it by x square since they have the same base. Then y square divided by y square it is 1, that we know. Okay, so here x cube divided by x square, 3 into x cube by x square we got. Okay, next is plus again 25 divided by 5, that we know it is 5. Now x square divided by x square it will be 1. Okay, now y cube by y square we can use quotient law to divide this. Okay, since they have the same base we can divide that. So here 5 into 1, 5 into y cube by y square will come minus 36 divided by 5. We can't divide 36 and 5. Okay, and there is no common factor also. Okay, so we can write as it is 36 by 5. Now x raised to 4 divided by x square we can divide using quotient law since they have the same base. Okay, and also y raised to 4 we can divide it by y square since they have the same base also. Okay, so into x raised to 4 divided by x square into y raised to 4 divided by y square. Okay, now here 3 into x cube by x square. So applying quotient law, a raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n if m is greater than n. That we know. Okay, here m equal to 3, n equal to 2. So clearly m is greater than n here. So which form a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n it will be. Okay, so here we can write 3 into x raised to 3 minus 2. Okay, so 3 into x raised to 3 minus 2 plus next 5 into y raised to 3 by y raised to 2. Okay, here also we can use quotient law. Here m equal to 3 and n equal to 2. So m is greater than n. So here we use a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. Okay, here also we use this formula since m is greater than n. Okay, so 5 into y raised to 3 by y cube. It will be y raised to 3 minus 2. Okay, so 5 into y raised to 3 minus 2. Then minus. Here it is minus sign. So here you need to put minus sign. Then 36 by 5. That we can't divide. So you can write as it is 36 by 5 into x raised to 4 by x square. So here a raised to m by a raised to n formula you can use. Here m equal to 4, n equal to 2. Okay, clearly m is greater than n here. Okay, so which form? A raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. Okay, so x raised to 4 by x raised to 2, it will be x raised to 4 minus 2. Okay, so here x raised to 4 minus 2 into here y raised to 4 by y square. Okay, here also a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n we will use since m is greater than n. M equal to 4, n equal to 2. Okay, m is greater than n here, so we will use this. So y raised to 4 by y square, it will be y raised to 4 minus 2. Okay, now we can multiply 3 x raised to 3 minus 2, it is 1. So 3x you can write 3x raised to 1 instead you can write a 3x, that is same, plus 5 y raised to 3 minus 2 you can write a y. So 3x plus 5y minus 36 by 5 x raised to 4 minus 2. It is x raised to 2. 4 minus 2 it is 2. So it will be x raised to 2, that is x square, into y raised to 4 minus 2, it is y square. Okay, y raised to 4 minus 2, it is 2. So y raised to 2 it will be. So the answer is 3x plus 5y minus 36 by 5x square y square. There is no like term to add or subtract. So this is the final answer. Okay. Next, fourth question. 36a cube x raised to 5 minus 24a raised to 4 x raised to 4 plus 18a raised to 5 x cube divided by minus 6a cube x cube. Okay. So here you have to divide this polynomial 36a cube x raised to 5 minus 24a raised to 4 x raised to 4 plus 18a raised to 5 x cube by this monomial minus 6a cube x cube. Okay, so division of a polynomial by a monomial. So what to do? Divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial. Okay, that is what to do while doing division of a polynomial by a monomial. So here in this polynomial, there are three terms. You know that terms are separated by plus or minus sign. So here first term is 36a cube x raised to 5. Second term is 24a raised to 4 x raised to 4. Third term is 18a raised to 5 x cube. Okay, all these three terms are divided by this monomial. So 36a cube x raised to 5 divided by minus 6a cube x cube. Here the sign is minus, so put minus sign here. Then 24a raised to 4 x raised to 4 divided by minus 6a cube x cube. Next here plus sign, so put plus sign. Then 18a raised to 5 x cube divided by minus 6a cube x cube. Okay, all the terms are divided by the monomial. Now you can divide 36 divided by minus 6. That you know, minus 6. Now a cube by a cube, it will be 1. Okay. Now x raised to 5, you can divide it by x cube since they have the same base. Okay, you can apply quotient law there. So minus 6 into 1 into x raised to 5 by x cube. Next minus 24 by minus 6. That you can divide. The answer will be minus 4. Okay. Now a raised to 4 divided by a cube. You can divide that too since they have the same base. Also you can divide x raised to 4 by x cube. They have the same base x. So here minus 4 into a raised to 4 by a cube into x raised to 4 by x cube. You can group like this. Okay. Then here sign is plus sign, so put plus sign. Then 18 divided by minus 6, it is minus 3. Okay. Now you can divide a raised to 5 by a cube. They have the same base a. Then x cube divided by x cube, that will be 1. Okay. So minus 3 into a raised to 5 by a cube into 1. Okay. Now you can apply quotient law to divide this. So minus 6 into 1, it is minus 6 into x raised to 5 by x cube. Here m equal to 5, n equal to 3. So m is greater than n here. So which form? A raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. That formula you need to use here. Okay, a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So what you will get here, x raised to 5 by x cube equal to x raised to 5 minus 3, since m is greater than n. Okay. Next, minus of minus. Here two minus are coming. So minus of minus, the sign will be plus. Okay. Always minus of minus, it is plus. 4. 4 into a raised to 4 by a cube. Here m equal to 4, n equal to 3. So m is greater than n here. So we will use a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So how can we write this? A raised to 4 by a cube, it will be a raised to 4 minus 3. Okay. Into here also x raised to 4 by x cube. M equal to 4, n equal to 3. So m is greater than n here. So we will use a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So x raised to 4 by x cube, it will be x raised to 4 minus 3. Plus of minus. Okay, here plus sign is coming, then minus sign is coming. So plus of minus, it is minus. Always remember, minus of minus is plus and plus of minus, it is minus. Okay, minus 3 into 1, it is 3 into a raised to 5 by a cube. We can use quotient law. Here m equal to 5, n equal to 3. Okay, so m is greater than n here. So a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So a raised to 5 by a cube, it is a raised to 5 minus 3. Okay, now minus 6, x raised to 5 minus 3, it is x raised to 2. Okay, 6x square plus 4 into a raised to 4 minus 3. So a raised to 4 minus 3, it is a raised to 1. Okay, you can write a. Okay, in a raised to 1, it is the same as a. So plus 4a you will get. Then x raised to 4 minus 3. Here also you will get x raised to 1. Okay, so you can write a x. Okay, 4 a raised to 1, x raised to 1 it is. You can write a 4ax minus 3 a raised to 5 minus 3. That we know a raised to 2 it will be. Okay, 3 into a raised to 5 minus 3, we can write 3a square. Okay, so the answer is minus 6x square plus 4ax minus 3a square. This is the answer. So our chapter is over. Thank you.